Drones are fun to fly, but you must fly responsibly to keep other people in the air and on the ground safe. And it's vital you follow these simple rules. You must fly in daylight, operating one drone at a time, making sure it's kept in your visual line of sight. Don't fly in areas where your drone is above other people and be at least 30 metres away. This could include beaches, parks, events or sports ovals. You mustn't fly higher than 120 metres or 400 feet. That's about the length of a footy field. And don't become a danger to other aircraft, so keep well away from aerodromes and helipads. If you see an aircraft nearby, land your drone immediately. You must stay well away from emergency services like police operations and firefighting. Obey the rules as there are heavy fines, and always respect other people's privacy. Visit droneflyer.com.au for more information about these rules and where you can and can't fly. Have fun, but fly responsibly.